When we talk about strengths in a SWOT analysis, we're talking about what gives you an edge, what you do better than others, what makes your organization unique, or what gives you a solid foundation to grow. But strengths aren't always easy to define because they come in two forms: tangible and intangible assets. Both matter, and both should be part of your analysis. Tangible strengths are the most obvious. These are physical, measurable assets. Think of your technology infrastructure, product quality, skilled workforce, intellectual property, customer database, financial resources, or operational efficiency. These are strengths you can point to and prove with data. For example, if your company owns a patented piece of software or has high customer retention rates, those are clear, measurable advantages. But tangible strengths are just the beginning. Some of the most powerful strengths are intangible, things you can't easily measure but still provide major strategic value. These include brand reputation, company culture, customer loyalty, leadership quality, employee morale, and innovation mindset. You can't always assign a number to these strengths, but they often define long-term success. Apple's brand, for instance, is one of its most valuable intangible assets. It influences customer behavior, attracts talent, and creates a moat around its products. Understanding both tangible and intangible strengths helps you get a full picture of what's working in your favor. And sometimes your most important strengths are the ones you overlook because they're not on a balance sheet. Maybe your team moves fast and adapts well. Maybe your leadership is exceptionally visionary. These may not show up in a report, but they drive results. The key to identifying strengths effectively is evidence. Don't just guess. Dig in. What data, stories, or results back up your claims? If you say you have great customer service, can you prove it with reviews, net promoter scores, or customer feedback? If your culture is a strength, how do you know? What outcomes or behaviors make that clear? It also helps to ask others. Get input from your team, your customers, your partners. Sometimes we're too close to see our own strengths clearly. External perspectives can help you spot what's truly unique or valuable about your business. Another best practice: compare yourself to others. Strengths are relative. What's a strength in one market might be average in another. Look at your competitors. Where do you outperform them consistently? What do your customers choose you for? That's where your strengths live. Finally, remember that strengths are only powerful when they're used strategically. A strong asset that isn't leveraged is wasted potential. The goal of identifying your strengths is to put them to work, whether it's dominating a niche, creating a better product, or delivering unmatched customer experience. Strengths become strategy when you align them with opportunity. In the next videos, we'll explore weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, but take your time with strengths. They're the foundation of everything else. If you know what you're great at, you can build on it, protect it, and extend it. And that's how smart strategy begins.